spring flowers in the forest, what they are telling about the site history, future and soil.
Hello, my name is Broadleaf. I am in southeast Kurland in close to nature forestry demonstration site. Here we are managing forest and in transition from spruce and other species to broadleaf forest, and also running a small agroforestry system. This is about 60 to 70 year old spruce forest, but is probably planted or probably self-seeded or both, and today suffers from European spruce beetle, and part of the spruces are dying and there is some openings, and the question is what is the history of the place and what will be the future of the place. Probably everybody sees the trees, but there also is a herbaceous layer what could really tell what nature want to grow here. And if we look here, this is Lathyrus vernus, or spring wretch, I guess in English. It's a nice spring flowering plant, and it's a really indicator plant of the broadleaf forest. And same square meter is this white anemone nemorosa, what is also indicator of old forest. It's really nice. It's probably a bit old now. It's 7th or 8th of May. They are springing normally in April. And also here is plant Mercurialis perennis. I don't know English name of that, and this shows longevity of the sites, that their forest has been a quite long time. And this plant is a Carex, flacca. It's a sedge family, and it is not really indicate forest, but it more indicates that there is carbonatic bedrock, and it's a more soil indicator, because actually it grows in the forest and in the field. And on the same square meter also is Corylus avellana, the European hazel. It also shows that it's a fertile soil, and hazel sometimes are considered as a weed in the forest, but in some small amount it's quite okay. It's a great good soil creator and very good for biodiversity. This is Carex flacca or sedge, and how it grows in the patches, and most probably it propagates also by root. Here is one patch, other one, there's some spruce. Here is next patch of sedge, and next is here. Actually it's a really beautiful bluish grass. You see the color. In the summer it's become a bit higher and making a nice bluish patches. Yeah, in the forestry people sometimes think, okay, if there is a spruce, then next forest also will be or should be spruce. But it's could be a bit different if you think that the spruce is planted and why planted, and when you start to look at the ground vegetation, you start to understand the history of the place, that there was a broadleaf forest, and you could start questioning, why spruces are dying, why the spruce beetle come. Probably it's too much spruces, because spruce is a quite okay tree species, and it's actually very good in broadleaf forest in the mix. But if you put the spruce in the monoculture, you have some wind damages, some spruce beetle, and probably better to little bit distribute the risks and plant different tree species, and then the mother nature decide how it will be. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, press like or subscribe to channel. See you in the woods.